Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be video number 2 of the coilover build series. Hey Oliver, say hi. Oliver. Oliver. What I'm going to try to accomplish today on this video is we're going to get the axle back underneath the Jeep and then kind of get at least the control arm mounts, the lower ones, to kind of position where my axle center is going to be, or get an idea of where the towers need to go. I believe the axle center is roughly right here, but I don't know because I removed it before marking anything. I don't know what I was thinking, but that's not going to work. So we'll have to get that thing back in there. A big thanks to my buddy Kyle for the furniture dollies. Harbor Freight, like 20 bucks. I don't even think it's 20 bucks, like 15 bucks. 4 swivel casters on the axle. Because I really struggled getting this axle out from underneath the Jeep. These underneath each C, total lifesaver, total lifesaver. So let's go ahead and get started on getting that axle moved under the Jeep and get the control arms bolted into it and up to roughly about ride height, which 39-inch tire, we can do a measure on the back, but I don't think it's 39, so half of 39, we'll do 38 inches. Half of 38 inches is, quick math, 18 inches. Is that right? 15 is 30. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank. 38 divided by 2. Right? So 17 is 34. 18 is 36. Yeah, good God, why can I not math today? 19 inches. Whew. So get the center of the axle, center of the hubs up to roughly 19 inches. And then that will give me where the axle is going to ride and the center line of the axle. And we can start working on mocking up the towers. I mean, are these things perfect? By no means. Are they better than dragging it with a jack? Absolutely. That took what, like 30 seconds? And I bet it took me 30 minutes with the jack. The axle is reconnected. Let's raise it up and get it to ride height, put some jack stands underneath it. This Harbor Freight jack, she's a little squeaky. So I'm still kind of fighting this cold. I am on antibiotics, so that is helping me. All right, so pretty close to center, 19 inches. And if I'm gonna cycle the suspension, I need to hook the track bar up. So let's do that. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to pull out the old ratchet straps and ratchet strap this thing this direction to get that track bar bolt put in. The axle is centered, at least to where it was before. So now we're ready to do some work. Once I go inside and cook dinner and eat dinner and spend time with the family, and then I may be able to come back out. If not, this day 3 is going to turn into day 4. Get some light in there. All right, so that looks a little better as far as this right here goes. This thing can go. It doesn't need to be in there no more. Yeah, that looks better. We can deal with that. And then this thing can go right up in here with some trimming. Because I think I would like to get it a little further back this way. What's going to suck is I'm not quite sure if I'm going to get it high enough to get this above the frame. I think it'll be close. But that's fine. I ordered the tall towers just in case. I mean, there's plastic here that I think I can get rid of. I mean, it's only the analog brake system. This little vent tube goes somewhere. There's something down there. It's not a vent tube. That's my washer fluid pump. That's the washer fluid hose. Okay. Okay. No wonder the damn thing would freeze up in the winter times. All right, well, let's go cook dinner, and then maybe we can get back out here and do this a little bit more. Start doing some investigating. Start cutting some of that stuff out of the way. Out in the garage, going to try to figure out how we can get this tower a little bit higher. We're going to be back further this way, so maybe I can just cut some of this webbing here and some of these pieces here out of there. I mean, at least that's kind of what I'm hoping I can do. Let's start working on getting this hose out of the way, though. Of course, we get caught on something on the very last. Oh, it's just the sticker there. Oh, I have a cut on my finger, and this washer fluid. That burns. That burns a little bit. Yeah. Hey, Oliver, say hi. Oliver. Oliver. Well, apparently he's a little camera shy. We're gonna go with one of my shorter wheels. That way the depth can't go too deep. Done through plastic all over my face. All right, so it looks like what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna see if I can't raise this up. And I don't know if I can. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bolt it here, pop the bottom pieces out. See if I can't figure out a way to support this a little higher. I mean, I know people have definitely taken these out and moved them around and got them into a different spot. So I know it's possible to do. That's gonna be a wrap for day 3. We'll be coming back tomorrow night, day 4. Who knows? Who the hell knows? Maybe day 5. But I was able to get the ABS out. Loose. Phoned a friend and he said to soak the grommets, soak these grommets in some PB Blaster or something. I don't know, what the hell did I use? So soaking PB Blaster and it pops off. This is going to end it for this video. We'll be back for tomorrow to mock up that tower a little bit more. I've got it to where I think I need to cut it so we can kind of get it up in there and see. Right now it is as high as I can go. I'm pushing up on the brake lines. I don't know, I don't want to go and remove the lines. I don't want to break the system open, so I don't think I'm going to be able to go much higher. I could if I wanted to add a lot more work. I don't want to put a lot more work on myself. I mean, I'm already doing quite a bit here. But I think tomorrow I might try to C-clamp it, and maybe what I probably ought to do is weld on the top pieces so I could actually mount the top of the coilover to it, and see where we're at as far as the axle positioning. So that was a long exit. All right,